Magazine, and I'm here at the George Brown's 2008 Signature Fashion Show. Let's take a look. Sherry Lynn here with Marilyn, Chair of Fashion Studies at George Brown. Now, how do you feel it went today?
They put on a great show, the clothes were spectacular, and they modeled it themselves, and they did a very credible job there too.
I think it went really well. Like, it was pulled together so beautifully, and the models just looked amazing.
How long did it take all this whole production to take place?
Well, it was a course, so it took an entire semester, about 4 or 5 months for them to put it all together.
I'm very, very proud of everybody. They did an amazing job, including myself. And yeah, like, I'm very happy. I'm very, very, very happy. Your collection, what was your inspiration behind it?
I'm originally from Brazil, so colors that I chose were like sand tones, sunset tones.
Now, what inspired you this level?
I found the fur and I just had to do it. I just saw a teddy bear and I wanted to be a living teddy bear, so I had to do it.
I'm very proud. I feel that they've really developed a lot of skills, a lot of confidence over the years. So we've only had them at the college for 2 years, and you'll miss them, but a lot of them do keep in touch, and we're very fortunate that way. We create quite a relationship, and we keep in touch because we see them develop and start their own businesses or go off to work.
Well, I enjoyed it. I was really surprised that these were students. I was ready to go get my credit card and start swiping today.
I wasn't sure what to expect, but I'm really, after seeing everybody's stuff and finally getting a chance to see it all, I think everyone's turned out really well.
Well, that's it for Fashion Studio 7 magazine. We're going to go shopping right now, so we're out. Peace.